Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp Web on tablet. Pro tips step by step clearly. To get started with WhatsApp Web on your tablet, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official WhatsApp web page by typing web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a QR code displayed on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone and open the WhatsApp application. On your phone, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Link Devices from the drop-down options. Next, tap on Link a device. A camera will open on your phone, allowing you to scan the QR code displayed on your tablet. Align the QR code within the square bracket displayed on your phone screen. After scanning, your WhatsApp chats will load on the tablet. You can now browse through your messages and start chatting. If your tablet supports it, consider using a larger screen to enhance your experience. Accessing the camera on WhatsApp Web allows you to share photos directly. Drag and drop files from your tablet's storage for quick sharing. Utilize keyboard shortcuts for efficient navigation and messaging. You can also log out remotely from your phone if needed. Always remember to log out if you are using a public device for security reasons. Enjoy seamless communication through WhatsApp Web on your tablet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.